What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I will be teaching you how to get Adobe Photoshop for free. So what you're going to do is go in the description and download WinRAR if you don't already have it. And then you want to open the MediaFire link, which I have right here. I'm going to click download. And then download it. Then you want to wait for that to download. I already have the file, so I will just go over here, and this is it. You just want to go here, open it up. Also, if you just are getting WinRAR, once you get this, you want to right click on it, click extract files, and then click OK. After that, you get a file like this. Open it, open that, set up the exe. Then once you do that, you want to click continue, wait for this to download. Alright, as you can see, it says install complete, so you just click close, and then you go to open that up, wait for it to load, and then bam, I'll show you what it's like once I get in the app. But yeah, 100% free, very simple. Adobe Photoshop free. And then let's just say create new, create whatever. Alright, and yeah, here it is. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this tutorial on how to get Adobe Photoshop for free, and this is the newest version that is out right now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see ya.